Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this one, just a simple daily chart. And this shows still what I would call, it's kind of a divergence now, was a convergence a few days ago between a rising 2/3 speed line that is projected off that August low earlier this month and a descending channel top over the last couple of weeks activity that is now at 209.34. So this range, we did not close below it. It can, by a thread, contain selling for the week itself, and above which 226.50 likely before the week is out. And if we were to look at over the next, say, 2 to 3 weeks, 240.33 is likely as a 2 to 3 week target. Certainly, if on the way up we close above the 226.50 level, we should see that 240.33 within a matter of days, 2 to 3 days, where we could top out on a weekly basis, possibly fall away, and if settled above, would be a significant bullish continuation indication as we move through the rest of September and into October. But we're a long way from that right now. Right now, we're focusing on 209.34 to 211.48. 209.34, the former channel top. Upside, we have 218.43 still. We pushed through that just a bit on Tuesday. 219.90 was the high. That is an upside 50% retracement, I believe. I'm going by memory here. Fibonacci. It can continue to contain intraday buying, but if we push through 218.43, I do see 226.50 in reach today, where we can place a daily high. That is a 50% upside Fibonacci from the July high against the August low. It did manage to capture the highs a couple of weeks ago. It could contain daily buying pressures, and if we close above 226.50, you should anticipate within a matter of several days 240.33. So you can bottom pick this 209.34 to 211.48 region. I know it's you're stepping into kind of a weak market right now, but technically it's not showing weakness yet. It's just showing the testing of meaningful technical support. Now, certainly if we open today below 209.34, that's another story. I'll get to that in a moment. But I just want to articulate that this is still an area that can contain weekly lows, and above which 226.50 likely over the next few days, the 240.33 formation over the next couple of weeks. And that is the big picture play. I don't see a good reason just yet to be short Tesla over the 2 to 3 day and 1 to 2 week time frame that I've already articulated. Now for the downside, if we happen to break or open below 209.34, we do have 205.75 FYI. I would expect some degree of hesitation here, but honestly, if we break this descending channel top at 209.34 today, this descending channel bottom at 198.89 is in reach today, and that is more clarified here. So you can see that if we break 209.34, if we open below 209.34, keep in mind that Tuesday's low 209.64. So opening below 209.34 is also opening below yesterday's low, which is the pullback high over the last week. That in itself has sell signal qualities. And I would expect quickly 205.75. That is the low settlement price that was put out last week following the August high. Like I said, we could hesitate there, but if you're looking for kind of the play of the day, I think it's being short or getting short, reversing out of a long position if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, which is still the recommended position. Holding above that 209.34 to 211.48 region, once again, maintains a 1 to 2 week objective in the low 240s and climbing. But once again, if we happen to, break or open today below 209.34, we can, within the day, actually test the 198.89 formation. And that could be it for the day. So that's a solid day day trade to the downside. Sorry about that. That's a solid day trade to the downside if we happen to break or open, especially open, let's put it that way, below 209.34. Now, if we open at or above 211.48, I do see 226.50 as a possible intraday objective, and that would be a clear-cut target on an intraday basis if we push once again above 218.43. Continued daily settlements above this range of support that is beginning to open up now as we continue into later week, but still right now just a little over 2 points wide. Continued daily settlements at or above that 211.48 region will once again keep 240.33 in reach over the next week or two. So if there's any position on an overnight basis, 3 to 5 days out to 1 to 2 weeks, it is being long above 209.34, anticipating 240.33. Inversely, once again, if we happen to break 209.34 today, this 198.89 formation in reach. But if we close today below this convergent area, once again, 209.34 to 211.48, I do see a meaningful sell signal likely to play out as we continue into later September and early October. As I've said, a settlement today below 209.34, I think, is a setup not only for 182 even by the end of next week, that is the August low, but also as we continue into October trade, the next 3 to 5 weeks, the better part of 2 months, 149.92 and dropping, I might add, into the 120s by the end of September. And that is significant. The 120s are significant. They are a one-year channel structure on the weekly chart that, if tested in the coming months, can absorb selling through the rest of the year and possibly well into next. So once again, if we close today below 209.34, I think you can play the short side into, we could stair step it a bit into the lower 180s within a week or two, into the upper 160s. This is a 167 handle double bottom from May and June within about 2 to 3 weeks. And over the next 3 to 5 weeks, possibly by the end of September, this 149.92 descending channel bottom, where we could place a good low on a monthly, possibly through the balance of the year basis, especially as it approaches this 128.26 one-year channel bottom. I hope that all made sense. I'm going to take you back to this chart here. I'm going to underscore the fact that this is an important pivotal region, not only for the day, but into, say, mid-September. And we can trade up from here into the low 240s and climbing over the next week or two. And inversely, if we close below it, it is really play the short side through the rest of September. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer 2 stock picks a week, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly Apple stock. I could go on and on and on. You get a 5-day free trial up front. So if you don't like what you see after your 4th or 5th day, you can bow out at no cost to you whatsoever. But most people stick around for longer than that because they like what they receive on a day-by-day basis. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla report, and you have a great evening.